Minister of Sports, Culture and Youth Affairs, David Ngampalala, has applauded Swazi TV for hugely giving attention to all the types of sporting codes in the country.
With less than 50 days before the year ends, only those who follow sports and recreation activities are claiming that 2017 was indeed a great year. The best person to make the right judgment was the Minister for Sports, Youth and Cultural Affairs, David Ngampalala, who believes there was a huge growth this year.
Sibonge nje ukuthi bonke labasibambele temidlalo eveni kunconywana akufanani nasemuva kumthandazo ukuthi la sesikhona sibambane siye embili ngoba lokumcoka eveni kubona into lapha niyibambile ningemadoda nihlangene khona ichubekela embili kungaba ngiloko nje mfana wenkosi ukuthi temidlalo eveni tithuthukile.
The minister went on to thank the National Broadcast Swaziland Television Authority for hugely contributing in promoting all types of sporting codes.
Swazi TV kusekela temidlalo ubona likakhulu lapha ngakasomhlolo labantwana badlala khona bo tennis badlale ini sinibone nikhona sinibone bo taekwondo sinibone nibaveta eMaswati kulamalanga nje beniveta leminye imidlalo lemisha nami lengijake kuyawufika kuyo masinyane kuyawivusela kube bekungekho nini kumbe umuntu abengeke ayibone leyo mdlalo leyo kwethu yonke lemidlalo sekumema ukuthi tingaphane tisondele disibambise kutemidlalo sinenhlanhla ke thina mawuya nje ngaphaneni uteka temidlalo awubuyi uphethe stand utilengisa sekuba ngilamo association nje ukuthi asondele unine bekunene sibambiseni kuna inkaphane nayi yonke inkaphane la kithi kangwane wasondela khona lobuya nako ukuphethe endabeni ke yema award mfana wakithi vele ingca izivele lokho ngeke sikuthini siyethemba ukuthi live eminyakeni lotako selitawusekela kakhulu selibonile ukuthi kubhekwe kuphi.
One of the highlights was the National Sports Awards that saw most of our sporting personnel being recognized for their hard work. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonera, Mbabane.